Walter from the Deise Rebel motorcycle channel, and today we have an unboxing. Just like the last video where I unboxed the Deise Rebel mug, today I'm unboxing the GoPro Media Mod for the GoPro Hero 9. It's the first one that I bought. I was looking at buying one for a good while. I think they were around €100, but I see one on CEX for €50 and it was $3.50 for delivery. So I said I'd give it a go. So let's unbox it and let's see what it entails. Alright, so we've got the documents. Take them out of the way. Don't need those. So I'm just going to open them up from this side. And around this side. Yeah. Not smooth at all. So, got all this stuff in here which is not worth anything. I'll pop that on the ground. Then nice jiffy bag there. Okay, so that's the first bit down. So we have the little wind mic there, the little wind cover. Okay, so I don't know, I think that's all it includes. Yeah, so that's everything there. Okay, so yeah, we have three little flaps here at the back. So they're for your different ports. They're for your little mic, old style mic connection. It's the 3.5mm, I think. And there's another little connection that should go for this, for your microphone, an external microphone. Yep. So that's the external microphone that I have. So I'm going to try to use this along with it, but I will try the audio on this first and see will it work better. So this is why I got it, so it can work better. There's another connector there, okay, and as far as I seen, you open up this little flap here. Yep, up this way, and then I'll take out my GoPro 9. Which I have here, and I think I take off this, off the housing, and this little bit in here, this goes into this little part here. I hope you can see that in the video, and you slide it in. So this is my first time doing this now, so we'll see how that goes. Close the housing, yeah, and then we can turn on the GoPro here. So like I said, this is all first time stuff, see how it goes. Okay, so let's have a look and see do the settings work on it. So if you can see it here, okay, it's all there. And then we have the mod. So that's the front microphone. Then use the back one, which is this one here. And then you can just use the, one second, you can just use the camera mics instead. So you have an option of using the back, excuse me, the back, which is here. So I'll try use this when I'm on the bike and see how well that will work. Can it work as my microphone without using the microphone lead? If it does, fantastic. If it doesn't, I can connect this one. This one is off my old 7, which I'm recording on today. So that'll pop down there. So I'll have that as a shortcut here. And I learned actually, so your shortcuts, if you go into here, if you click here, okay, and then you go into edit, and then you go all the way to the bottom, you have your shortcuts here, so you can change all your different shortcuts. They're the ones I have. So we pop back out, and yeah, so that's the GoPro. I'll show you the front as well, see what it looks like. Yeah, it looks really good, and it's another, the case seems very, very good. And for a second-hand camera, or sorry, a second-hand media mod, it's all about perfect, to be honest with you. I'm really happy with it. And then you can still fold these out, and you can connect these then to whatever little pieces you want. But yeah, I'm delighted with this. It looks really good, really hard. Hopefully it helps the mic. But again, like I said, we have this little piece here. So before I used to have this in my bike helmet. So hopefully that'll work. I'll be delighted if it does. And yeah, so the settings are all here. I can change them up then as well. So back, front microphone, and then you have your case in there as well. So yeah, it looks really good. I'm really happy with it. Yeah, to be honest, for the first look, I'm really happy with it. You can put light attachments there as well, and I think over here, or maybe different mics, stuff like that as well. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. It's really well constructed. Everything is really in good condition for more or less half the price. Yeah, so really looking forward to testing it. Like I said, I've had issues with the wind a lot. You might have seen that in the videos, so apologies for that. This is what I'm doing to try rectify it. Yeah, really happy. We'll give it a test. So that's today's unboxing of the GoPro Media Mod from CEX. And yeah, happy out. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I will be getting out on the bike very soon. And I will be recording the 4th part of my mini series. So check out the other 3 parts in the meantime. And until next time, Deise Rebel out.